Hello everyone. In today's class we'll learn the second most important verb, which is avoir, which means to have. The conjugation goes this way. J'ai. If you remember in the last video for the être, we wrote je suis. So je is like I. So here you would have been thinking that this would come, but due to the two vowels are colliding, we will cut the e from je and we will put an apostrophe. So this becomes j'ai. Then tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. So let's revise once again. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Listen to me carefully once again. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons. There's a Z pronunciation. Nous avons, vous avez. Again, Z pronunciation. Ils ont, elles ont. In être conjugation, don't get confused. It was ils sont, but here it is ils ont. Again with the pronoun sujet, this is first person as in I. So I have. Here second person, you have. So basically tu as is informal and singular. Il a masculine singular. Elle a feminine singular, which is he has, she has, nous avons, we have, vous avez, you have, which is again plural and used in formal way with the president, with the client, etc. Ils ont, they have. They have. So it's basically masculine plural. Again, feminine plural. They have. Let's revise it once again. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Now let's quickly go forward towards the exercises. Let's jump on to the exercises. So the first one, je dash chien. So j'ai chien. I have dog. Tu dash une sœur. You have one sister. Il dash les bleus. Les yeux bleu. He has blue eyes. nous dash deux chats. Nous avons deux chats. Vous avez les mêmes ears. We have same eyes. You have same eyes. We have two cats. Ils ont un bébé. Elles ont un ordinateur. They have a baby. She has one ordinateur. Il is oftenly used with masculine plural as well as masculine plus feminine plural also. For example, if you talk about parents, mother and father, so you'll say ils sont mes parents. Ils ont mes parents. So don't get confused. That's all for today. If you have any doubts, please email us at understandthefrench@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Peace out.